What?
Yes, father. That the gas step boss. Boy. I be a foolish IT and fancy cat him go on with it now. This a blasted TV and I can't bother with it. Just change when it want. I want to see gone pan now. But kiss me war or not? How wrong with Amari now?
Why is it? This is called love. Why nobody helping you? Come on, stop. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up.
Boy, Amari, she love attention, eh, man. Jeez and peace. The things people do these last days for likes and views. I call the one kitty she. I bet so she know what I go on. Mix up. Love it mix up. I don't know if I call her because I have 3,000 of fear and I can't pay her right now in my predicament. I got through too much. Oh, there. Why I saw you treat your friend then? No, sir. I can't believe you that they didn't even call me. What? Yeah, man. You always busy, man. Always busy. Yeah, Kate, I know you're busy, man. I couldn't tell her that ever say. You busy for make one little phone call. Me there go and cope. From my left out, that was a feed me on the old callaloo and soup. My word. And that me I say too. But I on drip for 3 weeks, that's all me and I'm drip. I know I come home, they I take my feet and put on back like a weight. Like them still a clean me out. Callaloo and soup, you can imagine? Kitty and enough is me go to toilet. No sir. I wonder why it's left in me if you come out. Hold on the kitty. Here you go on. So one DJ about up on police.
Jamaican, I buy 3 guns in Jamaica. One I gun them, and from a friend them. No boy can diss my friend them and get to it. That is a matic. You see, second gun is a Uzi. That gun is from my sister. Anybody diss my sister, get that. You see, the last gun I buy, officer, is a rifle. I buy the rifle for any boy this my mother. I get the rifle there. I don't know if a boy this. Jamaican, I buy 3 guns in Jamaica.
And that me I said to Kitty. Hey, are you not easy in? When say gunman in show? Why me can't blame you? Cause the boy did a stand up at 10 hours say 3 gun him have. And now me see she do. Stand up, fold her hand them neatly, and just a smile. Like Jamaica always happen. Anyway, Miss Kitty, me make feel something from the other day. You the one nasty must say you still attack? Okay. Can I just say I tell you be careful of him because them man nowadays them gone all over the place now, Kitty. Are you a good girl? Yeah, you're the one Jeffrey said the other day. Oh, you're here. Then Kitty, talk it short. Pop store give me a liar. I trending thing now. But kiss me war or not? Then Kitty, what else left for tongue now? Cause man want tongue all over this now. Then I wait till your tongue them start reach now ears and nose all too. No sir. You have to be careful to eat from these last days. Cause everybody does into everything now. Me can't manage it. No sir. Alright, anyway later. What? Yeah, Kitty, remember your money. Jeez and peace and half your galang, so why your man not feed you? Alright then. We chat. But how will it blouse and skirt this? Why Papa Jesus come here if you're not busy. And if you're not busy, come here. You come there and wait for the soup for cold for you drink it and just turn over. The amount of people in my home, I wonder if I want them all of me. I beg you God. Do. Take me out of the situation here. It's tough for me. No, sir. My good soup just over just like that. They're not normal. Then watch all this on TV now. It just changed on its own. Why not tell them it rains it pour? It's alright, that's how you want to do it? Yes, I'm not really afraid, you know. But you know people always a walk here, so. Just come on. Alright then, come. Why this road that darky, man? That's why I don't like walk on them road at night time, you know. Too much dark, you know. Hold you a come. Yeah, man, me see him. But I don't think so that we did stop walk at night. Who I call my name now? But wait, I walk one around here, so. Wait till I do each up on a night dark, though. How around here so smell, so.